Welcome to this new construction at 4181 Fairground Road in Brandenburg, Kentucky. Let's check it out. This is a new construction, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Square footage is 1652. It's got a rural setting. Take a look at the surrounding area. Sun's getting ready to set over there. Farm in the back. Beautiful views. Sits on a little over an acre. Open floor plan here in the living room and kitchen area. It's got a split master. Here's master bath. Separate tub and shower. And a very large walk-in closet. Take a look out back. Here's your second bath. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And down the hallway you have a separate utility room, a really large utility room. Have your utilities and then your washer and dryer hookup. And then this door leads to a very spacious 2-car garage. Again, this is a new construction. This house is brokered by Stonegate Realty. My name is Jeremy Jackson. I'd be more than happy to tour this home with you, and you can reach me at 270-681-8142. Again, my name is Jeremy Jackson, 270-681-8142. Thanks.